Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Mazda GH6 diesel sports hatch, stock reference number 4164. This shape runs from the first month 2008 through to the 11th month 2012. It has an R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual front wheel drive transmission. R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the right hand rear and scratches all over it. We have the bonnet, appears to have no damage apart from key scratches. Radiator grille, right hand xenon headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand xenon headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. Left front is a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. It's got a left hand sill skirt. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Left hand tailgate garnish. Tailgate has a few scratches on it. Tidy rear bumper cover. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand sill skirt. Right power door mirror also has a key scratch on it. Right guard appears to have no damage apart from the key scratches. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, dual zone heater controls, factory sat nav unit, display cluster, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.